Hello, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. This is Preeti, your English guide. Today we are going to do relative pronoun. Yesterday, some boys were playing in the street, and out of them, someone broke my window. So, accidentally, I have seen that which boy broke my window. So, now I can tell that this is the boy who broke my window. So, I'm telling you that this is the boy who broke my window. I'm telling you something about that boy, that this is the boy who broke my window. So, the word who connects the boy and the phrase broke my window. So, who is telling something about the noun? Who is describing the noun? So, these kind of words are relative pronoun who describe noun mentioned previously in a sentence or who connects the noun and a phrase. These are the relative pronouns and who is used for the people. For more example, I know the girl who sits next to you. So I'm telling you about the girl, that I know the girl who sits next to you. Which girl I'm talking about? Which sits next to you. So who is describing the people, the person? Whom is also a relative pronoun. Whom is also describing people. That this is the woman whom I met in the concert. So I'm telling you about the woman, and the word whom is connected the noun and the phrase. So whom is also a relative pronoun, that this is the woman whom I met in the concert. This is the lady whom they want for the job. This is the lady whom they wanted for the job. So whom is also a relative pronoun. I don't like the man whom you hired as your cook. So, which man I don't like? Whom you hired as your cook. So, whom is also tell something about the person, that which man I don't like, whom you hired as your cook. So, whom is also a relative pronoun. If I talk about which is also a relative pronoun and which refers to animal or thing. If I say I love the cat which is jumping at the wall. So the word which connects the noun and the phrase. And I'm telling about the cat, which is jumping at the wall. My favorite blue lamp, which was in drawing room, is broken. So, which word is telling about the lamp? That which lamp I'm talking about, which is in my drawing room, is broken. So, this is the use of which. We use which for things and animals. I found the person whose cat was lost yesterday. So I found which person whose cat was lost yesterday. So whose word shows position between cat and the person. I found the person whose cat was lost yesterday. So whose word shows position and some relationship. The boy whose phone just rang up should stand up. Which boy should stand up? Whose phone just rang. So we are describing the boy from the phone, that the boy should stand up whose phone just rang up. So whose word shows possession between phone and the boy. Next we have that, and that refers to a person, thing or animal. If I say the cake that you baked for me last night was delicious. So I'm telling you about the cake. That which cake? The cake that you made last night was delicious. So that is a relative pronoun in this sentence. The movie that I watched yesterday is a Korean movie. So for which movie I'm talking about? The Korean movie. This is the house where my aunt lived. So I'm telling you about the place, that this is the house where my aunt lived. So where is also a relative pronoun which shows about the place. Do you remember the place where the party was held? It also shows about the place. Do you remember the place where the party was held? I'm talking about which place? I'm talking about the place where party was held. So where shows the place, and it's also a relative pronoun. The day when the meeting takes place is Friday. So when word shows some time, that I'm talking about the day when the meeting takes place. So when is also a relative pronoun and shows about the time. Please let me know when we are near the bridge. Please let me know when we are near the bridge. So let me know at the point of time when we are near the bridge. So when word shows the times and when is also a relative pronoun. Do you know the reason why the market is closed today? So, what is the relative pronoun in this? Why. And why refers to a reason. Why is also a relative pronoun. Do you know the reason why market is closed today? So, it shows a reason. It refers to a reason. The reason why I am here is to help you. So, I'm telling you that why I am here is to help you. So, why word shows a reason. In some cases, what also refers to a relative pronoun. Like if I say, I heard what you said, I liked what you cooked, or he understands what she wrote. In these sentences, we don't have noun. I just told you that I liked what you cooked, but I did not tell that what she cooked. So I did not tell the noun, I did not mention the noun. So when the noun is not there in the sentence, only then what refers to a relative pronoun. So I hope you understand. We will cover the next topic of pronouns in next class. Till then, take care of yourself and your environment. Love yourself, love nature always.